Look, it's some stinky underwear. Do we recycle that or throw it away? What do we do? Oh no, we gotta throw that away. Hey kids!
Hi.
It's me, Kit the Explorer, and Miles. And let's spell our names because spelling is great. Kit is spelled K-I-T. That's me. And Miles is spelled M-I-L-E-S. Miles! How do you spell your name? Can you say it really loud? And maybe you don't know how to spell your name, and that's okay too. Work on it at home with your parents. Miles, what's our episode today about?
Garbage truck.
Garbage trucks, how cool. What do garbage trucks do?
Go trash.
That's right. Garbage trucks come to pick up all the trash that you guys have lying around your house. And guess what? Miles has a little garbage truck here that he can show you. Whoa, look how big that is. Can you show the kids at home the different parts of the garbage truck? The wheels. And what's this part right here?
A door.
The door. And what's this part right here? This part's called the cab, and it's where the driver of the garbage truck sits to drive it around the city, huh? What's this part called?
Cargo.
This part is called the cargo box, and this part right here, where the garbage man puts all the trash into, is called the hopper. Why do you think garbage trucks are important, Miles? Why do you kids think they're important? Well, garbage trucks are important because without them, we get buried in trash. Whoa! Whoa! Gee whiz. Thankfully, garbage trucks come and pick up the trash so you don't have to be worried about being buried by it. When they pick up the trash, they take it to a processing plant. At the processing plant, the garbage is sorted after it's dumped into a sorting area. After it's dumped, front-end loaders with specialized claws grab the trash and sort it into bins. The trash that can be recycled is then sorted by workers who make sure that everything that can be recycled does get recycled. We sure have a lot to thank garbage trucks for. Without them coming to take away the trash, you'd be buried by it. Nobody wants to be buried in trash, so garbage trucks come around and pick up the trash that we leave on the corner for them, and they help us make our world nice and clean. And guess what else? It's fun to play with toy garbage trucks, huh? So what do you say, Miles? Should we go check out your toy truck? Let's go check out his toy garbage truck.
My garbage truck.
Guess what, kids? Right now, we're on a trail. It's a path that looks like a road, but it's not a road where cars drive. I just wanted to say that so that you know to never play in the street and never play on a busy road. But this is a road where cars never come because there's gates that keep the cars from coming onto it. This is just a trail for people to walk on and ride their bikes, and that's why we can bring the garbage truck onto this special road and play with it. Show us how it works.
You go from night off.
What do we do when we're ready to throw away the garbage? Should we get some garbage for the garbage truck to throw away? Help me pick up garbage, Miles. Ooh, this is some good garbage. Let's make a pile of garbage next to the garbage truck. We're making a little pile of garbage right next to the truck. Now, what do we do with this pile of garbage, Miles?
Haul it away.
We throw it away. Can you show the kids at home how it works?
You don't pull it and try
Like that?
out.
Okay, well, we've got this pile of trash, so what do we do? Can you help me?
Dump
Let's put the leaves inside the garbage truck. Come look how it works. Miles, will you put the leaves inside? Put them in. And the dump truck is gonna suck the garbage right into it. Whoa! Let's put some more garbage into the truck. Do you want to spin the wheel now and suck the garbage in? Good job. It can get kind of hard to turn with the sticks. Whoa! We sucked up all the garbage. High five. Now what do we do?
Dump it.
Now we dump it. We're gonna drive the garbage truck to the dump now. Let's go.
Okay.
Come on, you take that side and I'll take this side.
You don't pull it home you and you don't dump it.
Okay, let's do it. Whoa! The back lifts up and it dumps the trash. This dump truck is really cool. It's got little buttons that you press to turn the lights on and off. And if the dump truck breaks down, you can even get to the engine to fix the engine right there. Look at that. How cool. Well, Miles, thanks so much for showing us your toy dump truck. We'd better get back to the rest of the episode, huh? Because guess what? It's sunset. That means the sun is going down, the moon is coming out, and look up there. Do you remember what phase of moon that is? If you click on the link in this video, you can watch our video all about the moon and learn about the phases of the moon. Well, Miles, I think that it's time for us to finish the rest of the video. What do you think? Sounds good to me too. It's fun to play with toy garbage trucks, huh? Miles loves to play with his. They're a lot of fun. And something else that is a lot of fun is making sure that you throw your trash away in the garbage or in a recycling bin. Do you know what recycling is? Recycling is where you have things that can be reused. Some things that we can recycle are things like plastic or glass or paper. What about a rotten fish? Could we recycle that? No, we couldn't recycle a rotten fish. One fun thing to do at home is to decide what is garbage and what can be recycled. Let's play the game right now. And whoa, look, I see a rotting fish coming down. Is that recycle or trash? It's trash. Come on, grab it. Oh, okay, that goes in the trash pile. And oh, here comes some glass. Well, glass can be recycled. Let's throw that into the recycle pile. And oh, look, a big trash bag's coming down. Do we recycle it or throw it away?
Throw it away.
Throw it away. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, there's some cardboard boxes coming down. Well, we could recycle those. Come on, Miles. Push them back into the recycle pile. The recycle pile. Whoa, good job. High five. Let's see. Oh, here's some stinky fruit. What do we do with that? Throw it away or recycle it?
Cycle it.
We can't recycle stinky fruit. Let's throw it away. Come on, grab it. Oh, throw it away. Throw it away some more. Okay. Whew. Recycling and deciding what goes in the garbage or recycle is a lot of work, but it can be a lot of fun, and it's good for the planet too. Do you want to know why? If we don't throw away our trash, it's called littering. And when you litter, the trash that you throw out just on the road, rather than putting it into a trash bag where a dump truck can get it and take it to the dump, that's called littering. And it's so sad because when we throw our trash just out on the ground, it winds up where the animals live. And animals don't like to have trash all over their beautiful home. And pollution is something that's really sad, and we want to make sure that we take care of our earth. so that we can have pristine, clean rainforests and beautiful blue coral reefs. And one of the best things you can do to help keep the planet clean is make sure that garbage goes into the garbage and recyclable materials go into the recycle pile. Oh, hey, look, it's some stinky underwear. Do we recycle that or throw it away? What do we do? Oh no, we gotta throw that away. Yucky. Well, kids, we are sure glad that you joined us for another fun and educational episode of Kit Explores. And parents, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and support the show. And you can follow us on social media at Kit Explores on Instagram and on Twitter. Until next time, we'll see you guys later.
Bye!
Bye! Good job.